Ubuntu is minimal and clean, but I want to make it look like macOS. When I woke up today, that was my daydream. So Gemini heard it and it was like, transforming standard Ubuntu into a slick macOS layout is a simple using gnome sensation and script. Witness way to achieve this without cluttering is your gnome sensation. Yes, so I sit my ass down and did a research for real. First thing we should do is to make Ubuntu teamable. So open your browser and search GNOME shell extension. Click here to install browser extensions. After installing the extension, I see this error. No such native application. Gnome Chrome GNOME shell. But hey, we came prepared. Launch terminal and run sudo apt install gnome-browser-connectors. Unable to locate package. Oh, connector, not connectors. Installation complete. Search and install user team. Install my shell. Install -to-dock. Install. After installing -to-dock, my dock moved from the side to the bottom and it looks like macOS already. My shell makes my application page blur and the user theme, I don't know yet. Alternatively, you can download and install extension manager to do this. But damn, still install it for installation's sake. To install, you need to install Flatpak in your system. If you don't know what Flatpak is like a small container that runs applications when you install it in them. To install, launch terminal and run sudo apt update to update the operating system. 75 packages can be upgraded. Sudo apt upgrade to upgrade the 75 packages. Now let's install Flatpak by running sudo apt install Flatpak. This is App Store for Linux. If you want apps from Flatpak to show here, run this command. Sudo apt install gnome-software-plugin-flatpak. Lastly, paste this weird command. It didn't even do anything, but I guess we take that as a win. Now, reboot. Copy, paste. Installation complete. Second thing is to visit this GitHub page and dream it possible. Wow! Next, launch terminal and clone these files onto your computer by typing git clone. Copy the repo URL. Paste. Enter. Git not found. Sudo apt install git. Installation complete. Cloning into Mac Tahoe GTK team. cd Mac Tahoe GTK team /install.sh -t for team -t again for team -i for icon -b for blur -l for libadwaita. On recognize installation option Apple. Oh, I see. We should put /shell. So what this actually does is to create a .team and a .icon folder and put a bunch of files inside. Now let's tweak. /tweaks.sh-g apple-f-adaptive and -d. I want GDM to have Apple icon and my Firefox to be adaptive color. Again, I made a mistake. Control-click Add to Firefox. Restart. Sudo apt install gnome-tweaks. Installation successful. Click on Appearance, change cursor to Mactahu Dark. Change icons to Mactahu Dark. Change shell to Mactahu Blue. Legacy applications, Mactahu Dark Blue. Windows. Title bar button placement, left. Click the resetting icons next to Blur My Shell. Click Panel, turn it off. Click Overview. Overview component style. Do not style. Brightness, full. Application dialog style, dark. Click dash. Override background, off. Disable in overview, on. Application blur, on. Blur type, static. Pipeline, default rounded. Now click Pipelines and click Manage Effects. Click Native Gaussian Blur and set brightness to full. Click corner and set it to 28. Leave the two options on by default. Enable all by default. Just like before, open the repo, click download on the wallpaper. Copy this command, open terminal, cd Mactahu GTK team, Ctrl-Shift-V, enter. Oh, cd wallpaper. Can't read homehacks.localshare, gnome background properties, mactahu.xml. Copy this. Open files, click the address bar, paste it inside, remove the Mactahu, hit enter. Create a folder and name it gnome background properties. Folder already exists. Rename this file to .back. And let's create the folder again. Folder created successfully. Now let's go to Home, Mactahu GTK team, Wallpaper, mactahu.xml, copy. Go back to Home, Local Share, GNOME background properties, paste. Now let's run the script again. Work is done. Open Ubuntu settings. Go to Appearance. Look for our Mactahu wallpaper. There you go. Oh, this looks so much better. But I don't like how the panel looks. gnome-tweaks panel on. Oh, it looks so much better now. Why does active Windows actually does not have blur behind them? Oh, I just need to turn off opaque unfocused windows. Guys, let me be honest, this is gorgeous. Oh, guys, look at this. It looks so good. In case someday in the future you decide to clean your PC, Open terminal and cd into the cloned repo and run the install.sh with the R option. This command removes all the GTK themes. To remove all the tweaks, paste this command. Open gnome-tweaks, go to Appearance tab. In the cursor area, choose Yarrow, and in Icons, choose Yarrow. Now open Ubuntu settings and change the wallpaper back to default. Open the Extension Manager app and then turn off all the extensions, or you can delete them if you want. Just like that, you have been able to successfully uninstall everything. Now you only need to reboot. The subscribe button is below. Click it before you leave the video.